What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you the lighthouse, and this is the LED jellyfish lamp. You can buy this from Home Depot. Probably can get this from eBay or Amazon. And as you see, this is the box, and I open this box and I'll show you guys. Well, these are the things that you guys will see once you open the box. So it comes with the container, a transparent container, and this is a 9 inches jellyfish lamp. You can choose from multicolor LED, a true silicone motion jellyfish with realistic movement, and a USB operated. So you can operate this using the USB to the side. Okay, well, these are the things that it came with it. So it has the spoon that you can steer it, and a USB cable. That's a USB, and this is the two squid.
It's a jellyfish.
Actually, it's a jellyfish, not a squid. Okay, guys, this is what you guys will see once I turn up the light and look at the two jellyfish. It's like a live jellyfish. It's really beautiful. For $17 at Home Depot. Probably you can get this at Amazon or either eBay. And this is the best LED jellyfish light that you can buy. Don't forget to add a detergent soap or either dishwashing liquid, and so once the water settle, the bubbles already been removed, and this is what you guys will see. Very clear, beautiful two jellyfish playing inside. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, and the color changing by itself, and you can choose also by pressing this button. See the light, that's the red one, that's the green, that's the blue, that's the yellow, that's a white, that's a purple, that's a white. Now it's changing by itself. So almost 5 or 6 color that to choose from, and then once you let it set, look at that color changing by itself. It's a beautiful color and a beautiful jellyfish. So you can use this as your dim light at night. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel. I catch you guys later for my next video. If you guys like my video, kindly share and subscribe to my channel. Leave comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.